Hello, dear students, and welcome to another fully funded scholarship opportunity. If studying in China for bachelor's, master, and PhD programs is one of your dreams, that it can come true with today's opportunity. Because today we are going to looking at a fully funded scholarship opportunity called Shandong University CSC Scholarship 2024. Monthly stipend and much more facilities will be provided to the students. Many fields are available. In today's video, I will discuss the complete detail about the scholarship, about the application process, available fields, and the stipend, how much stipend given to the students, and also the eligibility criteria of the scholarship. So first of all, you will open the search engine Google Chrome or Firefox in your laptop or mobiles, and there you type Future Health Portal and click on the first link, and you reach the website Future Health Portal. By scrolling down, you see the Shandong University CSC Scholarship 2024 details. Open the link and the interface like that appear in front of you. By scrolling down, here is the introduction of the scholarship, and next the brief description of the scholarship. And here is the programs available in the following languages. For bachelor degree programs, Chinese language, and master degree programs available in both English and Chinese language. PhD programs also available in English and Chinese language. Next, the benefits of the scholarship is full tuition waiver. As I said before, that the scholarship is fully funded scholarship, and free accommodation, comprehensive medical insurance, and a monthly stipend also give to students. Next, we will discuss the eligibility criteria of the scholarship. General requirements for all applicants, all graduate, young professionals can apply. You must be a citizen of a country other than People's Republic of China. Good mental or physical health. English or Chinese proficiency certificate is required. I already upload a video that how you make the English or proficiency certificate. Strong research skills, excellent academic record, should not be receiving any other scholarship during the tenure you are applying for that scholarship. If you are applying for English taught programs, you apply for masters or PhD programs and your native language is not English, you are required to submit the language proficiency certificate test certification IELTS 6 bands or above, TOEFL 8 or bands or above, my best scores 80 points or above, essential tests. If you are applying for English taught programs and your native language is not English, but your primary language of instruction in the education institute are English, you are not required to submit the language proficiency test certification. You can submit a valid letter of proof, duly signed and stamped by the institute. So in simple words, if your previous education is English medium, then you have not to do IELTS or TOEFL or any other English language test. So you simply take the English proficiency certificate from your institute, or letter, or your institute in which you cleared your last degree is English medium institute. Next, for bachelor degree programs, the age is under 25 years. Hold a higher school diploma or equivalent to that. If you are applying for Chinese taught program, you must have secured to 10 points or above it. The HSK4 test, the bachelor level programs are available in the Chinese language only. For master programs, under 35 years of age, hold a bachelor degree or equivalent to that. If you are applying for Chinese taught programs, you must have secured 180 points or above in HSK5 test. For doctoral programs, under 40 years of age, hold a master's degree or equivalent to that. If you are applying for Chinese taught program, you must have secured 180 points or above for HSK 6 test. Now we will discuss that how we apply for this scholarship. The applicants have to apply online through the Chinese government scholarship information system. Log into the STO online application system to fill up the form. The application can be submitted either in English or in the Chinese language. After filling up the form, take it, print out and sign it. After signing it, from scan it and upload to the system. Carefully read and complete all the sections of the application form. I also physically take you to the website and also physically tell you that how you apply for the scholarship. Now we read just the instructions that how we apply for the scholarship. Next, the required documents for the scholarship and for application process is valid passport or national identity proof. Complete the application form along with other documents as per the requirements of the program you are applying. Letter of motivation, physical examination form, certification of English proficiency certificate, no criminal conviction. And I already upload videos about the letter of motivation, physical examination form, English proficiency, and a criminal conviction certificate. You can see that videos in which you know that how you make these certificates and these letters. Statement of financial support through a grantor, including bank statement. If your name is mentioned in the notice issued by the Ministry of Education regulating the admission of the international students in China's higher education institution, must submit the relief supporting documents. Now, the deadline for the scholarship is February 16, 2024. Now, I will show that how you apply in the scholarship. For applying the scholarship, you have to click here to reach the official website of the university. And here I can reach the official website. You can select the language. I can select English. Now the interface appear in front of me in the English language, and here you see the button I want to apply. You have to click on it and you reach the applying portal of the scholarship. And here you see the online application button. You can also download a user manual. In user manual, the step-by-step guidance of the application process is mentioned. You are also download your user manual and check out how you apply for the scholarship. Now we click on the online application button to reach the application portal. And here, first of all, I will register myself on the Shandong University portal, and on the top right side you will see the register button. Here you click on the register, and now I will put my email first of all, and then passport number. Then I set my password of the portal and re-enter the password, and then I select the my country. For example, I belong to Pakistan, so I select the Pakistan country, and then the verification code. I will write the verification code mentioned here, and then click on the register button. After registering myself, I click on the login button, and here I put my email or a passport number and the password which I set for my portal, and again I enter the verification code, and now I click on the login button to log into my the application portal. And there I will put my personal details, my educational details, and the documents. As I mentioned before, you have to make folder of that documents in your PC or in your mobile, and when you have to apply, you can upload those documents on an online portal. So this is all about the Shandong University scholarship, and if you face any difficulty during applying, do let me know in comment section, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.